this video, we will see how to add liquidity and use the Farm tab. Currently, I am in the Swap panel. I go to the liquidity section. I must connect my wallet. I am already logged in DeFi.finance. Click on Connect. I select the Binance network. I connect using Metamask. Select the account that I want to connect with. Click Next and Connect. With the wallet connected, I could already add liquidity by pressing this button. Let's go to the Farm tab to see in which pairs we can add liquidity. We can appreciate 4 pools with the following pairs available: WAP BNB, WDFi BUSD, WDFi BNB, and WAP BUSD. Each one will charge us a 2% commission with each deposit. To add liquidity, we have to do it in both currencies, both WAP and BNB for this pool, for example. I will add liquidity in the WDFi BUSD pool so you can see how it's done. We go back to Swap, then go to liquidity and add liquidity. As I mentioned, I will add liquidity in the WDFi BUSD pair. I select BUSD and also WDFi. I enter the amount, either typing it or selecting maximum. I remove the decimals. It automatically informs me that the equivalence of this is 1.92 BUSD is equal to 7.74 WDFi. To show you how it works, I am in a test network, so these ratios are also for testing, but they can serve as an example. To add liquidity, I have to approve the BUSD and the WDFi contracts. I approve BUSD. Check the gas cost and confirm. I approve WDFi and confirm in Metamask. Once both tokens have been approved, you can click the Supply button. This window informs me that I am going to receive 3.85 liquidity tokens in the BUSD WDFi pair. I can see the amounts I am adding of each token. It also shows me the exchange rate between them, as well as the percentage of participation I will have in this liquidity pool. To continue, I click on Confirm Supply. Inside Metamask, I check the cost of gas is low and confirm. With the transaction completed, I return to the Farm tab. The next step is to approve the contract for this pool, which is the pair we have added liquidity to. Click to approve the contract, look at the gas price, and confirm. Once this contract is approved, the Stake LP button is activated, and I can place the LP tokens to start farming. Click on Stake LP. My balance is 3.85 tokens of liquidity in this pair. I can add the amount I consider. I can add the maximum. I delete the decimals and continue with the Confirm button. We confirm in Metamask. LP tokens have been added to this pool. I have added 3.73 since the 2% commission has been charged. We can see that this pool starts generating WDFi. I waited until a bit more WDFi has been generated. I will show you how to collect these profits. To do this, we use the Harvest button. Let's see my WDFi balance in Metamask. I have almost 10,000 WDFi. When I click the Harvest button, the generated tokens will be added to my account. Click on Harvest. confirm in Metamask, always making sure that the gas prices are low. When I make a claim, the counter is reset. Inside Metamask, we can see that I have received the WDFI. Meanwhile, the farm continues to generate more WDFI. This is how we add liquidity to a pool and collect the profits generated.